So what you doing?
In a cage.
Why are you in a cage?
Because I'm flying cage.
Flying cage? Are you a bird?
Yeah.
What kind of bird?
A woodpecker bird.
You're a woodpecker bird. Okay. All right then. Do you need some wood to peck? Yeah? Here. How about cardboard?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. There we go. Oh. Nope. Here we go. Here you go. There you go. There you go. All right, now peck on it. That's a good woodpecker. Cardboard pecker. There we go.
Technically, I guess you said wood.
Good job. Good job. What do you think? Interview. What do you think of your of your sister, the now cardboard pecker? You make an excellent cardboard pecker. I don't think I've ever seen somebody better. You've never seen somebody better.
Okay.
Proud of you. Okay, we're gonna go back over here. Bye.